this is how things are looking. Bodywork, I used an angle, stainless angle here. I had to cut it, it was a little bit too big. A little bit wider here, which doesn't matter. I bent this piece and put another piece there. Kind of another piece. I think it's looking pretty good. A lot of grinding and cleaning to do, but pretty good, I would say. The thing is, it's there's just so much body filler, and you can see here's the original piece. Let's say it's pretty fucking close, but you can see it was crappily, shittily repaired. You can see there's a big difference here. So it actually got bent, smashed in, and then they just welded it on like that and put a bunch of body filler. So this is supposed to be closer to here, and now you can kind of see the way it's offset like that. So it's very hard to do a perfect job when there's nothing to follow, because you know, if they had just left it alone, I would have had a template, something to follow, a copy. But because of the shape that's in, I suspect this whole rear was either was in a collision, or just from rust it rotted and people did a crappy job. So there's nothing to follow, you know. I could spend, if you really wanted to, you could probably spend a whole week copying the exact same thing on this side, or but even this side, it's probably not great, probably not good at all. So this is just the trunk, doesn't matter too much. I followed this line, made sure this line is perfect, and so this is pretty much as good as it gets with what I have, unless I were to spend weeks on this side, just this part. You know, I've seen, I think it's Ron Cavell, something like that. I think that's what the guy's called. He actually makes like a wooden template so that it's exactly the same as on the other side. So he copies this side, but obviously you have to reflect it. You know what I mean? And then you spend a whole, like probably a couple of days doing that, building that frame, and then another whole bunch of time forming the sheet. So can't do that, but I'm pretty happy with the results. It's pretty damn close, and for all purposes it's gonna be perfect.